Here is, without a doubt, the best buy in one of the finest, premium level, third row seat, full-size four-wheel drive SUVs you'll ever see, and it's for sale here at Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this 2024 Nissan Armada Platinum, just like new, loaded with it all, crazy low miles. Around back, rear park assist sensors, factory tow package. Plenty of cargo room, even that power folding third row seat folded up. Illuminated scuff plate, that's really cool at night. First aid kit. Power lift gate, motion activated. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Platinum on the tailgate. Gorgeous 22-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Bridgestone Dueler tires. Quad seating configuration gives you 2 across in the second row with a really nice console. 3 more in the third row for a grand total of 7 passenger capability. Rear heated seat controls, rear heating and air controls, 120 volt outlet, 12 volt outlet, and dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console. It's aspen white tri-coat with almond leather interior, factory roof rack, optional crossbars, tinted windows, chrome door handles, chrome mirror caps with LED turn signals, factory color keyed molded step bars, LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights, forward collision sensor, front park assist, color keyed fender flares. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, power moonroof, perforated diamond stitch leather seats, dual power seats, WeatherTech mats throughout, illuminated kick plates, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seats, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert, power lift gate controls, heated steering wheel controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 8,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory navigation, backup camera with that really trick, around view monitor. Push button start, dual zone climate control, heated and cool seats, driver and passenger. Wireless inductive cell phone charging. Factory integrated trailer brakes. More USB ports, another 12 volt outlet. 4-wheel drive controls. Console shifter. Keyless entry key fob that includes power liftgate controls and remote start, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and original window sticker. Auto dimming rear view mirror that comes with a rear view monitor, universal garage door opener, and those power moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Armada Platinum, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.